Is the Ageas Federal Assured Income Plan truly a reliable income generator or just another traditional plan with fancy guarantees? Let us find out the answer to this question through an in-depth analysis in this video. Hi there, welcome back to holisticinvestment.in, where we help individual investors like you to make the right financial and investment decision to reach your financial goals in a more faster and smarter way. Now, before analyzing this policy, let us first understand a few basic details about it. So this is a non-linked, non-participating individual savings life insurance plan, and some of the key features of the policy are: you get life insurance cover to safeguard your loved ones, you have the option to choose from 3 different plan variants, you get guaranteed regular income based on the selected plan option, you also get guaranteed maturity boosters in addition to the final regular income payout. You have the flexibility to decide the premium payment term and policy duration. You also get potential tax benefits on your premiums paid as per the prevailing tax laws. And there are benefits like maturity benefit, death benefit, and also survival benefit based on the plan option you have opted for. And there are advantages like the policyholder can opt to receive the guaranteed regular income, which is GRI in short form, in a mode of their choice. So loans can also be availed against the policy up to 75% of the surrender value. So plan options can be selected based on your specific income requirements, and all the benefits offered under this plan comes with guaranteed assurance. So these are some of the advantages. However, there are some drawbacks like the survival benefit cannot be accumulated or deferred. The survival benefits may also often lead to discretionary spending. So while the benefits are guaranteed, the overall returns remain low. So the sum assured may not be sufficient to provide adequate financial protection. So these are some drawbacks that you need to keep in your mind before deciding to invest in this policy. So now, as we have a basic idea about it, let us move on to the analysis part of the video, where we are going to conduct an IRR analysis based on the benefit illustration given in the policy brochure to help us make an informed decision. But if you still want to know more about certain aspects of the policy in detail, you can refer to the policy brochure. So here, for calculation purpose, let us assume that a 35-year-old male is investing 75,000 rupees annually. So he has chosen a premium payment term of 12 years with a policy term of 23 years and a 10-year benefit payout under the short-term income option with annual income benefits. So starting from the end of the 14th year, he receives a guaranteed survival benefit of 1,10,265 rupees per year. So along with the final payout, he also gets a lump sum benefit of 9 lakhs. Together, these benefits translate into an IRR of 5.45% as per the policy's maturity calculator. However, for a long-term investment horizon of 23 years, this return is far from attractive. The annual survival benefits reduce the lump sum received at maturity, and neither the yearly income nor the maturity amount is substantial enough to meet major financial goals. So in essence, the guaranteed income feature of this plan does not translate into real financial advantage, as the returns remain low and the sum assured is inadequate. So therefore, this policy may not be a worthwhile investment choice at any stage. So these are some things that you need to keep in your mind before deciding to invest in this policy. Now, as we know that this policy is not giving us a desirable outcome that we need, let us move on to a comparative analysis where we are going to take an alternative approach, in which we are not going to invest in an insurance cum investment policy like this Ageas policy. Instead, we are going to invest in insurance and investments separately. Suppose you set aside the same annual outflow of 75,000, but first we are going to secure our protection with a pure term life insurance policy. For an annual premium of 8,800, you will get a sum assured of 10 lakhs with a policy term of 23 years and a premium payment term of 10 years. Similar cover like the Ageas policy. But this leaves you with 66,200 rupees annually available for investment over the first 10 years. So here, since the earlier plan required premium for 12 years, you would have the full 75,000 available for investment in the following 2 years. So this amount is invested in an equity mutual fund. At the end of 12 years, this investment grows to 18.10 lakhs. After accounting for the capital gains tax, the post-tax maturity value stands at 16.82 lakhs. So these proceeds are then shifted into an instrument yielding 7% annually. So if you want to know how we have calculated a tax for equity mutual fund, you can refer to the small tabular column presented on the screen for your easy reference. So you can pause it and see. So to replicate the survival benefits of the Ageas policy here, which is 1.10 lakhs are withdrawn each year for 10 years. So at the end of the period, the balance is withdrawn as a lump sum mirroring the plan's maturity benefit. This alternative structure delivers an IRR of 7.16%. Moreover, if you skip the annual withdrawals and let the corpus compound, your wealth creation potential becomes even stronger. So unlike the rigid payout schedule of the assured income plan, this strategy here offers you flexibility and liquidity, enabling you to withdraw funds according to your financial needs. Then, what is the final verdict? Is investing in the Ageas Federal Assured Income Plan worth it or not? So, this policy allows you to choose from three payout options like short term income for 10 years, long term income for 25 or 30 years, or lifelong income. So, in each case, the income is guaranteed for the chosen duration, along with a lump sum maturity benefit at the end of the policy term. That said, the returns offered under this plan are not attractive for long term investments. The lack of flexibility, such as no option to defer income benefits, further limits its usefulness. So, moreover, the sum assured is relatively low. Taken together, both the life cover and income benefits fall short. So, making this plan an unattractive choice for investors, and it also has a high agent commission. So, before starting your investment journey, it is essential to secure adequate life insurance coverage. So, like pure term insurance policies, if you take for example, are far more affordable and provide you with sufficient protection. For irregular income needs, you can stop relying on traditional life insurance policy because it is not advisable. Instead, what you can do is you can invest in a well diversified investment portfolio which can help meet your financial goals on time while offering you both better returns and liquidity. If you want to read more about this policy, then you can definitely check out the blog post we have posted on our website through the link in the description. And if you want to gain more professional guidance through a professional financial planner, you can choose to book a one-on-one complimentary consultation with one of our professional financial planner through the link in the description. Also, if you want to gain more investment and financial insights through the leading experts in the finance industry, we also conduct regularly free live webinars through which you can register and gain these insights. The link is in the description. Also, if you like this video, definitely hit like and subscribe to our YouTube channel so we can come up with more such financially beneficial content for you. Thank you for watching.